Okay, hi there. I'm going to do a quick video and this will be a quick video on how to sync up your Ethereum. I'm just on hold for a minute, so I thought I'd do this for you guys. So to sync up your Ethereum the fastest way possible, install and sync your Ethereum. First, you want to go to ethereum.org, and let's just go to type Google GIF. Okay, there you go. Okay, so if you go to ethereum.org here, you want to scroll down, get to your downloads here, look for all versions, click here. That might have been covered up, that's okay. But okay, and then this here is the Ethereum. Here's the little downloads area. You want to go to probably Windows 64. Basically, if your computer's between $100 and $500, that's or $100 or more, that's the one you want. If it's like $100 or less, if it has 3, 2, 1 gigabyte of RAM, then you'll take 32. That's the only people who do 32. Less than 3 or less RAM. And then you want to come over here and do the releases. So let's go to Go Ethereum. We'll click releases here. Here we go. Here's the latest one. I'm going to go to download page. And there you go, and you just click that one for Windows. I downloaded it, but it's not really necessary. And then I'm going to cancel that download. And that's it. And then you want to grab those items and bring them into this Ethereum folder here, and then install them. However, you do not want to open your Ethereum wallet. It will look something like this here. Do not double click this right now. All you want to do is install the unzip the wallet into your folder so you know where it is, and install Gith. And Gith is what you want to run first. So Go Ethereum or Gith, they call it the same thing. So I'm going to go into the little start menu area and type run, and then I'm going to type CMD for command. So first I type RUN and then CMD, and that will bring up the command prompt. And from here I'll type CD space C : program files / Gith. So that will get me something that looks like this. I didn't actually mean to open up this wallet here, but since it's opening, I'll just let you see the way it looks for a second. No, I'm going to cancel it. It takes a while to open. Alright, so that's good. And so I'm going to... Okay, good. So I got my Gith. So far in the installation process, all you've done is downloaded two things, unpacked or unzipped. You move the Ethereum file away from your downloads into its own folder. Same with the Gith file. And then you installed the Gith, and that will do basically nothing. And this is the first major thing that you're going to do. So you come here and you type CD space C : program files / Gith, and then from here you type GETH Gith space -- light space -- cache equals 1024. Cache CACHE equal 1024. So that's Gith space -- light space -- cache equal 1024. Hit enter there. And now what we're doing is syncing with the light chain. And if you're doing this for the first time, I have another video you can watch where I do it from scratch. The quality of the video isn't quite as good, but that's okay. And then it takes about, with a slow computer on a slow internet, it's going to take about 20 minutes to complete. But what you're looking to do here is you want to, this is the most important thing, the space -- light. And for any computer that's less than about $800, this is the type of operation you want to do in order to run your Ethereum and get it done quickly. Only if you have a game, the default method of installing Ethereum is only applicable for gaming computers, which most of you won't have. And it might install over the course of 2 weeks, 3 weeks, running constantly and still not finish, honestly. But this light version that I'm about to do will install on your computer in roughly 20 minutes. So that's what I'm doing now. And it's I got an old version of Gith. You should be on 1.6.5. I'm on 1.6.3. So it does run a little bit slower, frankly, when you're on the older versions, but that's okay too. I'll just deal with that. I'll see if it works. And if not, I'll just reinstall Gith. Okay, good. It's doing something. So you can see how it kind of like stood there a while and then finally did something. So good, it's almost done now, and I'm just catching up from maybe a week of using the program. So after a week, this is about how long it takes the program to catch up. And in this little number area here, I like to look at this. Ethereum has roughly 4 million blocks, and right now we're at block 3.9. So that's how you can kind of tell that you're almost done, is by looking at these numbers here. It's going at a really nice pace. Okay, it's done. So now my Gith is synced up, and so if you go about a week of not using Gith, that's about how long it takes for it to sync. And now I'm going to open my wallet. I really should only have one of these, but I'll see which one's the most recent one. I think it's this one. Yeah. I'll see. So if you're installing for the first time, this is still the process you want to do. Get your Gith until it says count 1. And it'll say that a few times in a row, but you can tell when it's done because it just won't do anything basically. And now I'm opening my wallet. Now, if this is your first time doing the wallet, it'll ask you about making a password. You don't need to do that. It'll ask you about using the test chain or the main chain. You want to use the main chain. It'll ask you about I guess that's it. You just skip. You don't worry about any of the things it asks you to do. You're just trying to get to this launch application screen, which will look like this, except you won't have these accounts here if you didn't make them. However, if you make them with your password, go ahead, make a good password, and then you have them. So that's the full install of the Lite client, and that's the full update. And this is I'm recording and running all these things at the same time. Ethereum, ooh gosh, low price right now, but you know, that's what we kind of expected. 300 bucks, I think. Good time to buy, I don't know, but Ethereum, that's not investment advice, by the way. So then if you want to do your key store, you go here to backup accounts, and then select your key store here, and here's your little key stores. These are what you want to copy onto a few different USB drives. and other locations so that you always have them, and then also write down the password so you always have that. And then your chain data is located in this location, Gith, this little area. So if you want to run the full, so this is the light client, which is what everyone not having a gaming computer will use. But if you want to run the full node, you can quickly do that and get to mining by instead of -- light, you do -- fast. But in order for that to work, you have to delete all this stuff first, I think, or most of this stuff. And then so that's really all there is to it. To transfer Ethereum, you might go here, and you might go to transfer coins, and maybe I want to transfer from the domains or something to is it giving me options? I don't know, but here I could pick a different address and just put it in here, but I'm not going to do it right now. And then you can either transfer in terms of ETH, or you could transfer in terms of USD if you want to pay people in USD. And here is where you determine how fast it will go. So if the network gets bogged down, then you want to pay a little bit more so that it goes in seconds, but that would be like $1.50. My goodness. Or you could pay 60 cents and have it sent in 30 seconds or something. And that's everything, really. Let's see if there's anything else interesting. Well, I will go ahead and just show you. I don't think it'll let me mine, but let me see. Well, okay, that's good for now. So let's just call that a day, and that's video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.